I'm 9 feet tall. I weigh 643 pounds. I can't walk down the street without causing major structural damage to buildings. Kind of makes me the bad guy. But the problem is, fixing stuff is the object of the game. You know what? I'd trade it all to be a really bad good guy. I am busy. Okay, go on now. Yeah, chocolate. Hey, that is my medal. It's precious to me. You win a medal? And you said you win it by climbing a building? No kidding. Hooray for you.
You're a winner, and you're adorable.
I'm gonna wreck you! Man, you scared me, kid. My name's Wreck-It Ralph.